Hi, in the series of connectors, possibilities, and demos, today I am showing you enterprise governance and proof. Thesis of it is life runtime proof of connectors, enterprise governance capabilities. The canonical enterprise demo is a dual proof demonstration that shows both buyer facing and operator facing evidences. It proves where connector sits, what remains unchained, what connector governs, and which product claims are proven live. So what kind of in which speed the agents are running, which namespace it is using, every decision is there with CIDs. So it's showing you everything, right? It's what are the not entities, what are the chain verifications, and everything. So here the from the CLI it's running like connector CTL health and connector CTL status. Okay, let's test how it behave when I write connector CTL health, right? So you can see, okay, node is healthy, trust is 80 right now, and then boot is 127 into 127, means like the boot is perfectly booted, right? And as for the demo, let's see what we can show more. It's like this connector CTL status. Let's see what the status behavior it shows. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. So you can see the status, right? The dashboard is running here, like 16 agent you can run for 482 packets are inside, 38 entries, production ready, mode is dev, and service is okay. So and then the post is going through API version 1 prompts to decouple agent instructions from code mode and everything. So it's like live, you can see it's working real. Okay, so let's go back and then work with the demos, right? So, so you can see here, okay, the demo is running live and it's creating the output, and these all are real outputs. Okay, you can see all those behavior of the thing. Now instead of seeing all those behavior raw output, let's see how the operator side behaves. Okay, first let's see which agent is working. Sorry. Right now it's running in bit 0.0, like same 08, right? So it's running in 08. So let's copy this, copy, yes. So you can see, right, the agent is running, is active, verified, healthy, and compliant. Trust is 92 by A, and then you can see why PID is running with the set of configuration and capabilities is ready. RIX is low evidence verified. Compliance is operationally operational policy is active, not the compliant policy. Right? So it's, you can see for compliances the trust right now is 92, but it's not for SOC or anything, it's for operational policies. For SOCs you have to enable compliant chain, okay, which ensures a certain kind of compliances and penetration testing values. Now let's see the claim posture. It explicit proof and shows the unproven claims. Basically, if it's the claim we are making is real or not, it just shows that, right? Let's see if we have suggested any like operator signals. Okay, so for this, how it works is already shown, right? And the and for the fourth slide, we will go for live decision paths. You can see it's like all these are the live decision paths which the agent is taking, which is live on agent 0 point agent pid 00008. Okay, now boundary enforcement, it is showing, like it is showing the boundary enforcement and like firewall policies and everything. So let's inspect, right? Let's see how it works, okay, and what happened. So let's see this. Copy, and then let's see how how actually the operator will get the answer. Sorry. So here, enter. So you can see, okay, in the back end you see how it's running, and in the front end you will get the answer like this. Okay, evidence verified, health status healthy, period is this. Okay, then it's running, uptime is 1 hour, memory consumed is 847 MB, and then receipt, we have one receipt right now as because it's demo, and then root has SH256 is used, and then PID is this, receipt root is that. So it's everything is showing. And trust I have already shown is the operational trust, which is 92A. So it's showing the violations which are denied, which are not denied, and everything. Okay, so we can see all those things. Okay, now let's test how actually, okay, command variation works. Okay, let's see how it is behaving. Okay, let's okay, let's see, let's go back. Okay, this is the basically operator explanations. Okay, it's explaining what happened for certain agent actions for time being time performance. Okay, let's see how actually it looks for operator. So you can see that, okay, like you can see how actually it looks. Like execution trace is available on the requested window. So the window is like this is the timestamps received chain valid. Okay, and then the root is this, and then the everything which is being shown. Okay, and everything is okay. View OPS, view operations. Okay, let's see, explain the PID. When we check when we explain it, let's see what it's showing. So you can see that, okay, it's explaining what happened. Okay, so like the okay, like the PID is this problem. PID is running with the setup configured and capabilities ready. Why? PID is running with the setup configured capabilities. It's the same thing is answering. Okay, it will answer why, how, impact, no recent failures, because it's running in the demo mode, so there is no failures output or non failures output. But in production you will see the chain verified receipts, and once the receipt will increase, you will see all those outputs. Okay, what actually is happening, right? So now let's see, inspect. Oh, now you can see the inspect value, right? So it's inspecting what happened, everything. Okay, basically inspect we have already checked, but still I'm showing in the flow. So now we will be covering is tool governance. Okay, but we already checked the boundary enforcement. Now we will see tool governance, how actually tool behaves in connectors and everything. Okay, you see the knowledge retrievals and everything. You can see every, like, the hashing and product hashing and everything, and then like how many namespace, this is the memory packets which is there. Okay, and then you can really inspect the value. Okay, we already inspect the thing, what it's already live and active, right? And then it's behaving in this manner. And now like the next thing will be the trace. Okay, how actually the things it keeps trace. It is you can see that there is a proper cryptographic chain of custody, and if this chain breaks, okay, everything will be break. Okay, and then this is the certificate ID, okay, which is been saved inside, and then which is creating a chain like CID chains. So you can see, okay, all those chains are being created, and then value has been stored. Okay, and then now this is basically the cost side. Okay, now let's see if how the cost side behavior it shows. For the agent running inside this virtualization or sandbox, okay, how agent behave, like how the cost is been like there will be cost, right? So how the cost is been represented. So you can see that, okay, agent PID is 0. The window you will be set up, roll up is 1 month, token use is like 20,000, cost is 300. Okay, statement, you can just check the statements. Okay, this will be directly taken in production environment, this will be taken towards your billing environment. Okay, where all those accounting has been saved. Okay, and then this is like statements, we can check statements. Let's see how it works. So it's asking the subject ID, as it's not there, it's not showing the statement. Sorry for, like, in real environment there will be a cost, like if you if you have a subject ID for a certain cost environment, it will be showing you the statements. As you can already check, all those cost management, everything is going on. Okay, this is basically the chain, okay, after and before, which ensures firewall safety, encryptions and everything. It's a failure and recovery and STTL systems. And this is the decision or a demo evidence which has been created and then which has been saved.